You searched how to buy shares of Evaxion A. Evaxion is a Danish clinical stage biotech developing immuno-oncology therapies and AI-driven vaccine discovery, trading on NASDAQ under the ticker EVAX. This video is educational only and does not constitute financial advice. To buy EVAX, you need a regulated broker. I will use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After registering, you will have to verify your account, typically with an ID, and add funds before you can place a trade. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker EVAX to locate Evaxion A/S. Make sure you choose the NASDAQ listing to find the correct stock. Open the Evaxion A/S asset page to view a short company overview and the price chart. Confirm company details and the NASDAQ listing to ensure this is the correct EVAX share. Press Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to allocate, then review the order details and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, the order may be queued or executed at the next session, and if you lack funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. Once a trade is executed, your position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. A link to eToro is available in the description if you want to explore the platform further.